In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound through Type-C earphones on Samsung phone and Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, many users are facing a bug where the system fails to route audio to the USB-C port, treating it as only a charging port. So what you want to go ahead and do is sometimes the system update accidentally toggles a security setting. So we want to go over to our settings, scroll down, and then go over to developer options. Now over here, what we want to do is go over and find disable USB routing. Once we go ahead and find that, ensure that that toggle is off because it's going to be necessary to. You can even go to the top and just, search up that exact thingy as well. And then once you go ahead and do that, unplug your earphones and then just go ahead and plug them back in. And then it should be working better, but it's going to be in media, disable USB audio routing, to make sure that is turned off. Now, a few other things you could do is, unlike charging, the pins for audio data can sometimes be sensitive, so unplug the Type-C connector, flip it 180 degrees and plug it back in. Also, use a wooden toothpick or a blast of compressed air. Even a tiny piece of pocket lint can prevent the data pins from touching, even if the power pins are still charging the phone, so definitely clean the port. Finally, disable USB restricted mode. So what we want to do is go over to settings and then go ahead and find security and privacy. And then within that, go over to find more security settings. Once you're in more security settings, what we want to find is USB restricted mode, and make sure that it is turned off whenever you find it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.